I pray they don't steal my camera because I'll fight a monkey. I will fight that monkey. Hey guys, welcome to my very first vlog. I'm so excited to try vlogging, and for the first time in a long time, maybe more than a year, I have something to do for the weekend. I have plans with a few friends of mine. We're going to the beach, one of the beaches here in Lagos Island. So we'll be headed there now. It's about 10:45 now, 10:45 a.m. so we're setting out to the beach. I'm just going downstairs to meet them. They've come to get me, so I'll try and vlog as much as I can on our way there. I can't remember where the beach is that we're going to, but once I find out, I'll let you guys know, so come along with me. So we've just stopped by to get some food at the mall. We're going to the beach we're going to is very far. It's on the island, even after Aja, around that Eleko area. So it's such a long distance, and so we just went to get some food at the mall. We're at Ikeja City Mall right now. It's in Ikeja, and yeah, there's some restaurants and fast food and whatever here. So we're just gonna get some food and then try and eat and then head out. We're already running behind time. We are so late, but yeah. So yesterday was a little bit of a adventurous fail. We got to the beach quite late. Our vehicle broke down, some people came late. It was just a mess, but at the end of the day we ended up at the beach at night at the Melegushi beach. So we had some fun there. We had lots of meat and drink. It was just so dark and so rowdy, and so I was very tired, so I couldn't even get any footage. But I'm making up for the fail of yesterday for today. So we're going to go to the Lekki Conservation Center. We're going to get food now. After the food, then we'll go to Lekki Conservation Center and try and see things. One of my friends. So we'll just go and see, try and chill over there at the LCC, and then yeah, do some other stuff around here on the island before we call it a day, before we wrap it up. I don't know if this vlog is going to be a success or a fail, because my footages have been here and there, but I'll try and see what I can get today. Okay, so stay tuned. So we're trying to enter into the place, but we have food and we're being told that the monkeys can get too frisky with the food, so they can grab your food or steal your food and even steal your camera and your phone. That they've had cases where you know, the monkeys kind of stole people's stuff here, both food and phones, and I'm a little worried about that. But I really want to film this because, like I said, I've not had enough footage in this vlog, and let's see how it goes. So in case you guys don't hear from my phone or my camera, I just know that the monkeys have stolen it, but I pray they don't steal my camera, because I'll fight a monkey. I will fight that monkey. What if he gets annoyed I'm looking at him? This monkey that's right in front of me. No,
let's go. We got you.
Let's go. I bet don't catch me anything. Not catch me.
I see all my clothes now. The monkey attack with
yeah, you go fall inside some together.
See, I say careful.
So we're taking a walk into the bush and we've just seen a few monkeys. It's so green and calm.
Yep.
And chill.
Smells nice.
It smells nice too, yes. Anyway, this is Chooks, by the way.
Yep, I'm Chooks.
Filmmaker. You can disturb, but it's cool. Anyway.
Yep.
So,
awesome.
Whoa, what are these trees?
So these trees need water to survive, so they mostly grow with water.
Nice. Let me
they have medicinal value. So. Yeah, the bark of the trees have a lot of medicinal value. Yep.
Oh my god. This is cool though. Well, it's scary for children because, man, it's cool, so quiet. Almost as if the sun is not even getting to this place.
Yeah.
It's so cool. See your meeting.
You guys should be careful. All of you that weigh above 100 kilograms. Careful.
Thank God. I can't relate. Can't relate. You weigh the way like 150 kg. 95, which that should you? Your head alone are like 20 kg. Yeah, so we have the canopy walk. We're not going on it because we don't have time, but yeah, you have to pay the extra 1K to get there, which is not expensive at all, but we're not going on because we don't have time. We'll have to leave soon, but that's it. It's the longest canopy walk in Africa actually, so it's really cool. In case you ever come here, check it out. But we'll continue on our journey. So I have a few thoughts. I just feel like you also feel like we're intruding on their like privacy. Yeah. Like we're visitors, so I understand why they might be aggressive. I just feel like we're intruding, like we're disturbing them or something. And some people are actually chasing them. I don't know why they are doing that. You guys should stop. Leave them alone.
Collect the line.
Leave them alone. Oh my God. Are you serious?
What is that?
It's a monkey. Leave the poor monkey. Leave the poor guy alone. Nabi, stop. Are you serious? I hate the disturbing the animals. I hate that I'm disturbing the animals.
These guys are calm.
This is their home and we're just disturbing them. And I feel bad.
They want something. They will get it.
They'll get it. They're really fast.
Yeah, they're very fast and aggressive too. Yes, they don't care. They're also aggressive. So I just feel we're disturbing them.
Let me learn it now.
No, so there is ladder kind of scaffolding type of thing that's here in the bush. Apparently you can climb up there to that tree house. Let me zoom in. You can climb up to that tree house. Oh my God. Hannah, where now? Climb. Are you afraid? Well, climb. But if you get scared, please come down. Shay?
Baby, don't do that,
How did you touch it?
Don't do that, man.
Shay, do it.
I don't have my hands sanitizer. That's my problem.
See you now. Sanitizer, okay. Oh my goodness. It's such a high, but like I want to climb actually.
It's not
I can do this thing now. But like what happens when you get tired? If you get tired,
the difficult thing.
I know, right?
Coming down that is hard, dude.
But when you want to come down,
I'll try.
you don't be so scared. What if I miss a step?
Bro, I ain't doing this. I've told you a million times. I'm not coming. What the fuck?
It's livestock.
Livestock.
Coming down is actually hard.
I want to climb that thing.
There's no
It's
manual.
apparently some
There's no
200 feet
manual
above the
for-
ground.
So
I don't know.
You can do this,
I will not
bro.
die. I probably
Yeah,
won't die.
strong
But
man.
I'm not afraid of heights or anything, but it's quite high. And apparently, coming down is difficult. And like I didn't even have the right things to climb, but I don't care. I think I want to try. It's so high though. And coming down will be so difficult, but I just want to try anyway. So wish me luck. Wish me luck.
JG!
People are coming down.
JG the monkey, where are you?
I survived. I did it. I didn't die. Ooh, so that is something very exciting now. I climbed the ladder. This is around, it's high as 200 feet above ground level also. So yeah, it's a good alternative to the canopy walk. I'm out of breath a little bit, but I was not scared. I wasn't scared. I was a little concerned about how the wooden rail and the ladder was going to hold up, but overall I wasn't scared. It was a great experience for me. Who knew I had an adrenaline junkie spirit in me somewhere? Whew. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Are you recording?
So that's Titi. He's a photographer and videographer. So he's just carrying his camera up and down. Whew.
Hello, what's up, people? Alright, I've been taking pictures of monkeys and, of course, humans.
They will jack your camera like this, you know.
And, well, the bad thing is that I came with a zoom lens. I was taking nines, you know.
Ah, that was zoom lens.
That's
It's not,
zoom.
oh, right.
Yeah, for 5 to 3 years.
Oh, wow, 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 wow.
Well, it's been fun so far.
Yeah, but at least you got some good shots, Abby.
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Actually, lots of walking, lots of monkeys, lots of trees, vegetation, nature stuff. But it's fun. I came here with my friends, so it's been fun. Oh, that thing I climbed, oh my god, my thighs are crying, but so we've come to one place, like it's called the family park here. They're like the sitting area, there's this life-size chess area.
Here, right.
Shay in the building, and maybe stop that thing you're doing, it's noisy, be cool. Anyway, so I'm exhausted, it's time for us to go. I don't think I'll film the walk back because I'm exhausted, my battery is about to die. So I'll see if I can film something when I get home just to recap my entire trip, and I hope this vlog makes it out. In case it doesn't, if it does, guys, let's go, come on. Hey guys, it's been hectic. So I came back from the weekend. It's so dark. Wait. Right, it's much better. I came back from my weekend waka yesterday evening at like maybe 6 p.m. or so. I was super exhausted. I couldn't even do anything. I just went straight to bed. And I'm still recovering. Like, going out is such a pain for me. Like, every time I go out, especially for like long periods like I did over this weekend, it's just hard for me to recover. Anyway, so I'm back. I actually went to the market this morning. That's why I'm even super tired. So I went to a thrift market, like a second-hand clothing market here close to where I live. I'll show you everything I bought. I bought a little bit of, I haven't gone clothes shopping in a very long time. Though it's not really shopping per se, I just bought a few things, but I haven't bought things for myself for like years even, surprisingly. Anyway, so I bought a few things. I'm back home now. I'll see if I can edit this vlog today and then have it up tomorrow. And in the meantime, I'll show you what I bought from the market in my next video, not this one. I have like a styling video where I'll show you the items I bought, so stay tuned for that. I'll also give details of the market I went to, how much the things cost. Yeah, it was a good buy, or a good experience, so to speak. So anyway, after ending this vlog here, this has to be the worst vlog in the history of YouTube. I know it's terrible, the quality is crap, I couldn't get enough footage. It's probably very short and a little bit subpar, very subpar. But anyway, I wish, or I intend, I plan to do more vlogs, so this is like a good learning experience for me. So shooting and editing and everything, I'm just using this first video as my trial vlog video. So please give me your feedback, let me know what you think, how I did. I know it's crap, I already know, so just be nice, but give me your feedback in the comment section. My throat still hurts from all the laughter and the gist and all the talking, anyway, and drinking too. But thank you so much for watching. I'll end this vlog right here and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.